You know, my father, he told me when I was a teenager, you gotta be careful who you hang out with, or they'll get you in jail, hospital, or maybe your grave. Some of them can even cost you some money. Well, I've been hanging around Rex Kruger on YouTube, and I keep on buying such stuff. This is one of my latest ones. See it right there? I think it's equivalent to a number 6 Stanley or Bailey. Then this thing right here is a scraper. Very well made scraper. Stanley number 82. So, if you want to know more about planes, how to adjust them, how to shorten them, and that type stuff, hang around Rex Kruger. But beware, might cost you some money.